నమస్తే. క్రితం క్లాస్లో 2-3 సబ్ టాపిక్ల గురించి డిస్కస్ చేశాం. టుడే we are going to discuss regarding the previous question of jail and examination. On the structure of DNA, there was asked a question. Before solving the problem, we should be take some values regarding to the structure of DNA. Actually, in 2 helicals of DNA, we have the length is nothing but the diameter is 20 angstroms, also known as 2 microns. Then in DNA, nucleotides are there. A bonds with T, C bonds with G, G bonds with C, like this. In between any 2 nucleotides, orderly 2 nucleotides, the length is in between these 2 nucleotides, the length is 3.4 angstroms. And in between any 2 orderly nucleotides, the angle is 36 degrees. And the nitrogen bases, A bonds with T, C bonds with G, these were arranged in square shape. Means in each angle we have 90 degrees. Means in between AT 90 degrees, in between TG 90 degrees, in between GC 90 degrees, then in between CA 90 degrees. Means totally 360 degrees. Then A and T, AG, in between AG 180 degrees, in between CT 180 degrees. Means what we concern here, A plus G is equal to purities. In C plus T is equal to pyramids. So, according to Chargaff law in DNA structure, purines is equal to pyramids. So, A plus G is equal to C plus T. So, explain to entire DNA structure, we require more than 5 hours classroom time. Actually, I am extracting what the values we require for solving the problem only. So, here you see A plus G purines, C plus T pyrimidines. Purines is equal to pyrimidines according to Chargaff law. So, here what we concern, what the problem they may be give in question means, they given the length of DNA. They given the length of DNA and may be going to ask the count the total number of hydrogen bonds. Here what are the values you have means in between 2 helicals 20 angstroms, in between 2 nucleotides 3.4 angstroms, and in between orderly 2 nucleotides, the angle is 36 degrees, and in between the total coil of DNA is 34 angstroms, and 4 nitrogen bases arranged in square shape means 90 degrees, and in between AG basically known as purines means 180 degrees, in between CT 180 degrees. So, A plus G is equal to C plus T. What they given in question means, they given the total length of DNA is 510 angstroms made. In this DNA, T is 30%. Then calculate total number of hydrogen bonds. It is a question. In our previous examination, they given this question. Means the total length of DNA is 510 angstroms, and they given in that length of DNA, we have the 30% nucleotides concerns with T. Then they calculate the total number of hydrogen bonds. How many located means actually they given in problem a length of DNA, but actually DNA is in coiling nature. Means like this. Each coil we have the length is 34 angstroms. Actually here we have the 34 length. The total coil length of the coil is 34 angstroms. Means 510 length, the given length not in coils. So first we should be go to count the total number of coils, how many enclosed in this length of DNA. Means 510 by 34, we can get 15 coils. Means in each coil filled with 20 nucleotides. Then we have the 15 coils. Then the total, calculate the total number of nucleotides in this much of length of DNA. 15 into 20 means 300 nucleotides. The total nucleotides, how many they enclosed within these 15 coils means 300 nucleotides. Then in these 300 nucleotides, what is the percentage of thiamine means? T is 30%. They given 30% means per 100. T is per 130 nucleotides. Then T is equal, for in these total 300 nucleotides, how much nucleotides is concerned with T means, for 300 how much means? T equal 300 by 100 into 30 means 90 nucleotides concerns to T. Means T nucleotides are 90. Then T bonds A is also 90. Then 90, 90, 180. 180 means total number of nucleotides are 300. 300 minus 180 is equal to 120. What is 120? These are the nucleotides which are concerned with GC. Means 120 means 60 plus 60. Here triple bonds are there, double bonds are there. 92 ja 180 and 63 ja 180 means the total number of nucleotides, total number of hydrogen bonds. How many placed in this much of length of DNA means it is a problem. Every year, every examination, it has continuously they are giving. So the aspirants will be concentrate on this problem. We should be go to get the clarity from this problem. If you have any confusion and you take the Telugu Academy textbook for the MSET question bank and you go to refer there and you take, they have given many types of questions on this concept. So you should be go to get the clarity from this concept. 100% they may be going to make a question on this aspect.